All right, so we basically did this last time. These are dividing numbers and dividing variables. Just in case, NAME, multiply slash divide, add slash subtract. We are dividing, therefore we will need to subtract the exponents. That's what it tells us to do. However, anytime you're dividing coefficients, you divide the coefficients. So 14 divided by 2 gives me 7. Now I've got x divided by x to the 3/4. Again, we are dividing, so we'll need to take one step up and do subtraction. X, you should know by now, a secret exponent of 1. So I've got 1 minus 3/4. Y to the 1/3. I have no y's on the bottom, so it will remain y to the 1/3 power. And z to the -6. Remember about negative exponents. If the negative exponent is on the bottom, the entire thing will shift to the top to give me z to the 6th power. So I'm left with 7x. 1 minus 3/4 is 1/4. 7x to the 1/4. Y to the 1/3. And z to the 6th power. Okay, example 10. I've got x divided by the cube root of y to the 8th power. X divided by the cube root of y to the 8th power. Now from last class, you need to remember that we can never have any radicals in the denominator. We have to get rid of that. We have to rationalize it. So remember, we're going to multiply our equation by 1, essentially, but we need to get rid of this guy. Does 3 go into 8? It does, but I'll have some left over underneath the radical, and I can't have that. I need 3 to go perfectly into a number so that the radical will be eliminated. The closest number to 8 that 3 divides into is 9. So I need one more y to get 9. Remember, we have to do the cube root of y over the cube root of y because this is the same thing as 1. We have to multiply the equation by 1. You can't just randomly pick numbers to multiply by. The reason we picked 1 is because when you multiply underneath the radical, again, if we're here, one step up, that means we add the exponents. That's going to give me the cube root of y to the 9th power over x times the cube root of y. We just multiplied across. Now from what I just taught you, 3 goes into 9 3 times. So I get 3, y cubed, I mean. 3 goes into 9 3 times, y cubed, with none left over, so I don't have anything going in the radical. And then the top stays x to the cube root of y.